Gates open, they're up and racing. Toanitz draws for your lead. Panamera is by the rail. Federer moving up to take third. Then comes Perfect Ice. Shurna moving up on the outside, and Dugos Charm is in behind them. Heading towards the last 900. Toanitz. Federer is on the outside. Shurna moving up to take third. Panamera is by the rail. Fourth, Dugos Charm and Perfect Ice. Heading towards the last 800. 2 and 3 still fighting it out for the lead. Toanitz. Federer is on the outside. Shurna down in third, running now in fourth. Dugos Charm, Panamera, and on the outside is Perfect Ice. As they swing to the last 600, it's still Toanitz and Federer fighting it out for the lead. Joining them on the outside is Shurna. Panamera is by the rail fourth. Then comes Perfect Ice, and Dugos Charm is in behind them as they turn for home. Toanitz leading the field by the rail, and on the outside Federer, Shurna, and on the outside Panamera with the last 150 more to run. Toanitz, Federer is on the outside. Shurna remains in third with the last 150 meters more to run. Toanitz over Federer, Panamera, Shurna, and finally Toanitz, Federer, Shurna, Panamera, Perfect Ice, and Dugos Charm.